What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis, and we are back with yet another video. And today, what I wanted to do is talk about a stock that was recently put on my radar, and that is Globalstar. Ticker symbol is GSAT. For full transparency, I have yet to open a position in this company, but I am looking to open a position soon, either this week or next week, depending on how my buying power looks and how all my other plays perform. Of course, the stock market has been brutal a little bit these past couple of weeks, but we have seen some decent recovery here and there. And on Friday, we dipped down to new lows essentially for some of our plays since we've been in. And on Friday, we saw a little bit of recovery before closing and in after hours. So there's a lot of moves happening in the stock market right now. Of course, I'm holding on to everything, but I am looking to buy some of these dips and I am looking to start new positions in some of these companies. So without further introduction, let's go ahead and talk about Global Star. Again, the ticker symbol is GSAT. So these guys, they focus on satellite technology, bringing satellite communications and tracking to you. Globestar is a leading provider of satellite solutions for business, and individuals offering customizable satellite commercial IoT solutions, connectivity for mobile and field personnel, fleet asset tracking, monitoring, and enabling business efficiencies beyond cellular. Now, this is one of those plays that I really got interested in because it seems as if these guys have their hands in a little bit of everything. This is what I love about companies like this. They have good products, they have solid products, it seems, and those products have applications in a wide variety of different areas. And that's what I love about these types of companies. So if we quickly look here, industries served, we have government and public safety, transportation, energy, construction, commercial maritime, shout out CTRM, agriculture, and forestry. I mean, these guys, they seem as if their technology is in a little bit of everything. And so let's quickly look at what technology they have. So we have here just a couple of lists of their products that you can go through and read about. Here are their solutions. So they have the Smart One solar powered asset manager. Solar One solar is solar powered, which allows this satellite IoT device to give excellent remote monitoring and tracking capabilities. It lets users intelligently configure reporting times and intervals for custom information delivery. Smart 1C provides intelligent management for both fixed and mobile assets. This IoT asset manager serves as a practical solution for your business regarding both operating efficiency and security. Spot Trace is an asset management and theft recovery device that affordably provides satellite GPS location services and movement alert monitoring independent of cell towers, radios, and Wi-Fi. I mean, these products just sound like they have so many applications. So that's asset and management, personal safety and management. Of course, they have a whole bunch here too. Spot Gen 4 gives you a critical life-saving line communication when you travel beyond the boundaries of reliable cellular service. Spot X provides two-way satellite messaging so you can stay connected whenever you're outside cellular range. GSP 1700, imagine being able to connect to the people and data that matter most in the places and times that traditional communications don't always work. So again, just a bunch of solutions. You have emergency and remote communications, data management and mapping services, embedded technology. Of course, that's something that I'm really interested in. So let's go ahead and take a look here. You have the ST100 satellite transmitter. The ST100 design is intended for rapid development of third-party companies and brings a low-cost, reliable, complete one-way data module to the IoT market. Sounds interesting. Another satellite transmitter here, literally the size of a quarter. STX3 is the smallest of the Globestar satellite IoT transmitters, which helps customers design and build compact communication devices. And then here is the Stinger, is low cost OEM simplex module, which sends one-way data messages via the Globestar LEO satellite network. So they have just a bunch of solutions and a bunch of products that span so many different services and so many different areas, and that's why a company like this has seriously piqued my interest. I mean, whenever you're talking about serving all this wide array of different industries, that's whenever I become very interested. And of course, they own a bunch of satellites, and they have absolutely been killing it when it comes to earnings reports. So this is a stock that I'm most definitely interested in. So if we just very quickly take a look at the price action, and of course, folks, this is by no means financial advice. I'm just Rigor Mortis, and I'm here to give you guys a little bit of insight as to what I'm investing in personally, the moves that I'm trying to make, and the stocks that I'm interested in. If you need financial advice, definitely do not seek it on YouTube. So, yeah, like I said, if we just quickly take a look here, over the last 6 months, of course, this thing was sitting at around 30 cents, and then out of nowhere, boom, we're up over 700% all the way to $2.57 from 30 cents. And since then, just like all of our other plays, this thing has been getting kind of has been bleeding a little bit. And so from then until now, it's dropped 44%, $1.15 to go all the way down to $1.42. If we quickly take a look at the 1 month, same song, different dance. And then if we look at the 1 day, this thing did dip down on Friday all the way to $1.15. And then since then on Friday, it actually made quite a little bit of a recovery, 23% from just 11:30 till around 4 o'clock whenever we closed. So, like I said, the stock has been making great moves. If you take a step back and look at the 6 month, but of course, if we look at the 1 month, just like all of our other plays, this thing has been bleeding a little bit. So what am I doing in terms of this play? Of course, like I said before, guys, I am not in this play just yet. I know there's a lot of interesting things happening. I mean, their market cap is $2.37 billion, okay? And this thing is only trading at $1.42. So that is quite the market cap. And it's because they have so many different assets, this company. And so I think they have crazy potential, crazy upside here. But I think it's going to be one of those companies that might take a little bit to grow. Now, I could be completely wrong when it comes to this. These are just my best guesses when it comes to these types of companies. Now, if they beat earnings, and they have been, whenever they beat earnings, it doesn't seem as if this company just shoots up to the sky. So I think it is going to be kind of a slow grower, but this is definitely one of those penny stocks that I feel a little bit more confident in than some of our other penny stocks. Some of our other penny stocks are like pharmaceuticals, and those things are like in FDA trials. They're, waiting to be either confirmed by the FDA, approved by the FDA. So when it comes to something like this, it seems as if they're already having a wide variety of services. They're already out there, and now we're just looking for a few catalysts in the long-term future. A company coming out and saying, "Yeah, we need these devices," things like that. But I do think personally, and of course, it's not financial advice like I always say, I do think this is one of our safer penny stock plays if we do want to get into this one. So what I'm going to be doing personally is this week and next week I am going to be trying to buy into this one. I am very interested. Of course, as always, folks, please go out and do your own research on every single stock I talk about. I mean, their website is very easy to use. They give you all the information you need about everything you can possibly ask for. You can contact them even if you want. So there's a lot to see here. I want you guys to go through and really do your due diligence when it comes to this one, because they have a lot of interesting things happening. I'm just telling you guys what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be looking at this one very closely for the next week or two, trying to find good entry, and just going to be watching it very, very closely. But of course, as always, folks, I am more interested in hearing what you guys have to say down in the comment section below. So please drop a comment. If you're new around here, please go ahead and hit subscribe and join the family. We've been growing like crazy, and I can't thank you guys enough for all the love and support you've been showing me on this channel. So please hit that subscribe button if you're new around here. Throw a thumbs up on the video so we can get it out to more people. As always, folks, this is Rigor Mortis. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.